Hello to everyone. Today we will look to Corsair H100i PRO RGB low noise CPU cooler. Looks like this. We will check what's written. Focus. Customizable performance, blah 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 blah, software with 2 fonts, select font speed, ideal for a combination of cooling power, noise, blah blah blah. Yes, from this side you will see Corsair clean customization. You can many colors of this. From this side of box you will see Hydra series, blah blah blah, for many processors. Made in China and so on. Another side have some instruction. Deliver 0. Possible to switch off. Cooling. Customizable RGB backlight pump. Looks like this size here. Specification here. Dimension, airflow, noise, and so on. Now we will open the box. It was sealed, and you will see instruction in few languages for Intel and AMD. 2 coolers is separately, not installed inside. It is uninstalled. Some screw connectors and radiator from motor. Looks like from motor. Corsair logo inside. 2 tubes and here we are, pump. Pumps coming with wire. Setup power needed. 2 plugs come to fans. One I don't know where. And so on. We will try to install this on Thermaltake case J21. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoy this.